In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dies with rounded corners and edges. Without much ado, let's get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is Vincent Annie. You're a few clicks away from creating realistic vector dies, and this is because we are going to use the easiest method, isometric action set. Let's begin by creating a square of 230 pixels by 230 pixels in dimensions. Duplicate the rectangle twice, representing the left side, the right side, and the top of the cube. I have my isometric action set over here. I've added a link to my video on how to set up isometric action sets in the description section below. Feel free to check it out. Now let's turn the squares into a cube. Click this square, select isometric left, click the play button. This is the left side of the cube in just 3 clicks. Now for the right side, isometric right, play. Select this for the top, isometric top, play. Put the 3 sides together and we have our cube. Then color each side. If you don't have isometric action set, you can use 3D effect to achieve the same results. Let me show you how. Select this, go to 3D, isometric left, no exclusion. Do the same for isometric right and isometric top. But before you proceed, go to Object and expand Appearance. Now you have a normal shape. Let's go back to where we were before. It's time to combine the 3 shapes using the Shape Builder tool. Then select the Direct Selection tool. Ensure that all the anchor points are revealed. Round the corners to about 60 pixels. We are going to use this shape for a clipping mask. Group the cube. Select both, center horizontally and vertically. Select the upper shape and send it to back using Shift Ctrl left bracket. Keep it selected. Copy it with Ctrl C and paste in place with Ctrl F. Bring it to front with Shift Ctrl right bracket. Select all and apply a clipping mask. The corners are rounded, but we need to round the edges. So double click to access the clipping mask. Select the cube, go to Effect, Stylize, Round Corners. Drop it down to 45 pixels. Keep it selected. We need to reduce each side proportionally. So go to Object, Transform, Transform Each. Drop it down to 94%. Finally, use the Direct Selection tool to adjust each side. I would like to round the edges more. So I go to the Appearance panel, Round Corners, and adjust. To reduce or extend the outer shape, click with the Direct Selection tool, hold the Alt or Option key, and click again. Then adjust. Now draw a circle on the top. Select Isometric Top and play. Duplicate the circle and align them diagonally. There we have our 5. Drag a duplicate into the right side. The circle is still bound by isometric top perspective setting. We need to undo the isometric top setting. Select Undo Isometric Top and play. Now select isometric right and play. Then duplicate to form 6. Drag a duplicate to the left. Undo isometric top. Then we can now apply isometric left. There you have it. You can also duplicate the die and recolor the duplicate. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.